Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to voice call on Bumble. So let's get started. Open up the Bumble application on your device and make sure to sign in. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the chat icon at the bottom right to open up the conversation tab. Find the match or the person you want to have a voice call with. Once you open up the conversation with the particular person, go ahead and tap on the call icon at the top right hand corner and you will be able to initiate voice call on Bumble. You can also tap on the video icon at the top right if you ever want to initiate a video call within the chat. So that is how you can easily initiate audio call on Bumble with a potential match. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.